How to copy text from any image using Google Lens. So hello guys, if you want to copy text from any image using Google Lens, how you guys can do that? So it can be in your gallery pic, like any screenshot that have text and you want to copy, or it can be in real, like you guys can have any paper or anything that have text. So how you guys can copy that? So for that you will simply go to Google Lens app. If you guys don't have, you guys can go to Play Store and search for Google Lens, and after that download it. So once we download it, simply click on Lens app. Once we click on Lens app, you guys will see open camera. So for the physical text, like for example the paper have text and you want to copy, simply click on open camera and scan that text. And if you have pic on gallery, for example I have that pic in gallery and I want to copy text from it. So here you guys can see it says select text. So when I click on select text, you guys will see copy, listen, translate, search. Also you guys will see two blue type arrows. So simply if you want to copy specific text, like I want to copy that specific paragraph, I can go here and I can select that only. And after that you will simply click on copy, and once you click on copy, your the text will be copied. So that's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.